Coconut aminos versus soy sauce. Is it truly a healthier choice or just another food trend? This question sparks a lot of debate in kitchens and health circles alike. Soy sauce has long been a staple in many households, cherished for its rich umami flavor, easy availability, and that perfect salty punch it adds to dishes. Whether it's drizzled over stir-fries, used as a marinade for meats, poured onto rice and noodles, or served as a dip for sushi, soy sauce is undeniably a go-to condiment for many. But here's where it gets controversial. Despite its popularity, soy sauce comes with some nutritional drawbacks that can't be ignored. Its high sodium content is a concern for those monitoring their salt intake. And because it's traditionally made from soy and wheat, it contains gluten and common allergens that can cause issues for sensitive individuals. This makes soy sauce less than ideal for people with allergies, gluten intolerance, or certain health conditions. Enter coconut aminos, a relatively new player on the condiment scene that's gaining traction as a potential alternative. But what exactly is coconut aminos? How is it made? And does it really offer meaningful health benefits compared to soy sauce? Let's dive in. So what are coconut aminos? According to Jen Messer, a registered dietitian and president of the New Hampshire Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, coconut aminos is a seasoning liquid free from soy, wheat, and gluten, yet still packed with umami flavor. It's crafted from the sap of the coconut palm tree, which is harvested and sometimes lightly fermented before being blended with sea salt. Some producers also add vinegar or water and occasionally natural flavor enhancers or acidifiers to perfect the taste. This results in a sauce that's widely available in larger grocery stores, natural food markets, specialty shops, and online. Despite what the name might suggest, coconut aminos doesn't actually taste like coconut. Amy Goodson, a Texas-based nutritionist and registered dietitian at the Sports Nutrition Playbook, explains that it has a slightly sweeter and less salty flavor compared to traditional soy sauce. Because of this milder profile, coconut aminos is often used as a substitute, not only for soy sauce, but also for tamari and other savory condiments in recipes like stir-fries, marinades, salad dressings, and dipping sauces. However, there's a catch. Coconut aminos tends to be pricier than conventional soy sauce. Goodson points out that while it costs more per fluid ounce, many people find the extra expense worthwhile, especially if they have dietary restrictions or prefer a lower sodium option. But is coconut aminos genuinely good for you? It does have some clear advantages, particularly for those who need to avoid soy, wheat, or gluten, or who are watching their sodium intake. Goodson notes that coconut aminos typically contain 70% to 75% less sodium than traditional soy sauce, which can be beneficial for managing blood pressure and reducing stress on the heart and kidneys. Because it's free from common allergens and gluten, coconut aminos fits well into diets for people with allergies, gluten sensitivity, celiac disease, or those following paleo eating plans. Yet, it's important to keep expectations realistic. While the coconut sap used to make the sauce contains small amounts of amino acids, peptides, minerals like potassium, magnesium, and zinc, as well as trace antioxidants, these nutrients are present only in modest quantities once processed into the final product. Many of the health claims surrounding coconut aminos actually stem from studies on coconut sap, coconut oil, or the coconut palm itself, not the sauce. Jen Messer cautions that there is no direct scientific research supporting the presence of significant micronutrients or bioactive compounds specifically in coconut aminos. So while it's healthier than soy sauce in some respects, it's not the nutritional powerhouse some marketing might suggest. As Messer Riley puts it, any health claims made need to be taken with a grain of salt. Can you overdo it with coconut aminos? For most people, using it in typical amounts as a condiment is safe. However, lower sodium doesn't mean low sodium. Messer advises that anyone needing to limit sodium intake, such as those with hypertension, kidney disease, or salt sensitivity, should still read labels carefully and monitor their overall consumption. Even moderate use can add up, especially when combined with other salty foods. Another important consideration is allergies. While coconut aminos is a great alternative for those avoiding soy, wheat, or gluten, it's not suitable for everyone. In some U.S. labeling contexts, coconut is classified as a tree nut, so individuals with coconut allergies generally need to steer clear of coconut aminos. When these factors are taken into account, Goodson sums it up well. Coconut aminos can be a flavorful, lower-sodium, soy-free alternative to soy sauce that fits nicely into many diets and eating styles. But like any condiment, it's best enjoyed in moderation. So what do you think? Is coconut aminos a smart swap for soy sauce? Or just another trendy product with inflated health claims? Have you tried it in your cooking? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Let's get the conversation going.